We're going to assemble the button box. Now I have gone ahead and put my panels on, my lid and my and the bottom of the box. But I want to point out, if you have a pattern that matters which direction it is, you can see this has like some cursive writing on it. You want to remember on the bottom that this is the top and this is the bottom. And on the lid, this is the bottom and this is the top. Well, it's still the top and bottom, but so the lid orientation is different than the bottom. Okay, so just pay attention to that when you're assembling it. And then you just simply are going to work your way around, gluing the tabs. And there's pieces here for the inside. And if you, I've put just one corner together, and if you want to go ahead, the lid is a little bit bigger than the bottom, so make sure you've got the right one for starters. And then you can put it in before you finish your box, since you don't have any tabs that it's covering. It's just to give it a more finished look. If it's easier for you to put this in at this point. And just slide that in there. And then I'm just going to work my way around with these tabs. This is a graphic 45 paper I chose for this project. I can't remember the name of it. But it's a really quick and simple box. I probably should have had some of these tabs done. I have inked the edges of my paper. Mostly because the color of the base of the box is blue, and I just wanted I wanted the panels to pop out a little bit more since it's blue on blue. Now for this last one, I'm going to put glue on both of these tabs. And there is the bottom of the box. And now we're going to do the same thing with the top. And just work our way around. And I am going to go ahead. I just like to have that one corner to stop it from, kind of to give me a guide. And then I'm going to put this top panel piece in. And I did ink the edges on these pieces as well. You can see that it's turned my fingers blue a little bit. And again, as I'm on the last one, I'm going to put glue on both pieces, both tabs, to finish this off. And there's the lid. So very quick. Now for my button, I decided I was going to add some dimension to this piece, and I also decided to use the pattern for both the bottom and the accent piece. So I heavily inked the edges of this top piece to make the color contrast more. And I'm going to if I can line the pattern up exactly. I just kind of liked how that looked. Now, if you wanted to, you could thread some thread through that. I don't think I want to do that. So you can see this is a very simple box, but you can really dress this up a lot if you wanted to, or just with the way it comes, it's very cute. And there is the small button box. And let's see what size this is. This is, it's 3 by 3. And I think, yeah, and 2 inches deep. So 3 by 3 by 2. Thank you for joining me.